lot of them were talking about implementing AI, for example, and just kind of like what that's looked like across an organization. And basically how a lot of people don't actually know what AI or agentic means, but they see these articles about them being left behind because if you're not using AI, you're going to get replaced by AI, all of those fear mongering articles. And they kind of just assume, like, okay, we're going to implement AI, we're going to hop on agentic, but really they don't actually truly understand what that means. And it's funny too, because I think if you've ever really used AI, of course it's helpful. Like it's basically like a search engine on crack. It makes like finding the information you need and in an organized fashion, so quick and easy. But if you've asked it to solve a technical problem for you, it's definitely struggled. At least it is nowhere near where I think a lot of these fear-mongering articles make it seem like, at least in the data space, at least in the data domain, asking it questions about specific tools. Like, I'm learning how to use ThoughtSpot, for example, in my new role, and ThoughtSpot has surprisingly a lot of complexities. I'm like, okay, let me ask AI, to see if it can just give me a quick answer as to why this dashboard is failing or whatever. And no, a lot of the information that it gets is either outdated documentation or it just doesn't know how to make sense of a lot of error handling. So if you're in the weeds with AI, it's not at that capacity where it can replace a lot of data people or a lot of jobs, but it can enhance it and it can make you work faster as a human. Like you can get the information that you need instantly instead of searching through Stack Overflow threads and stuff like that.